Hello everybody, my name is Giovanni Sierra and I'm going to do a short video about me making a blockout scene in Unreal Engine 5 using the new tool, CubeGrid, that came with the Unreal Engine 5 editor. Before I begin my blockout, I'm going to show you how to use the tool. In order to open the CubeGrid, you have to go all the way to the very top left of your screen where it says select mode. If you can see my mouse, underneath the scene name, click select mode, click modeling. You can also use shift 5 and that should open up a new window. All the way to the third section where it says poly model, click the cube grid. That should bring up a grid system with a bunch of cubes that show up in the editor. This is the default size of the grid. That can be changed however preferred. The 5 is the default one, which aligns perfectly with the default level. So the basic tools is the E to pull, Q to push. These are the common ones that we will be using to use the tool. E is to bring up things, and Q is to bring them down. This can also work on the sideways. So let's say we wanted to create a window. Or a room. That can be easily done and very quickly as well. Once you are done with the model, you hit complete, and that will be turned into a static mesh, which will be generated somewhere in the level. Of course, you have to keep track of that. You can click the little folder here. That should take you directly to the static mesh. It will be saved with the other models that you previously created, and that can be added again to the level. Of course, you can still edit this item if desired. Not only can you create objects, you can also edit other static meshes. So let's say we wanted to edit a chair, or let's say this cube. Make sure you have the object selected that you want to edit, and then hit the cube tool. So right now, since the grid is different, it will not read a line, but it is using the same mesh. If you want to fix the grid, that can be fixed using the transform here, or you can show the gizmo. There you can use the cube grid in different rotations. So let me get on to blocking out the level and show you how to use the cube grid using real blocking out. For the blockout part, I've created a level design map to make this process a lot quicker, and I've also added the player mannequin to get the exact size of the player. Let's begin. I hope you have enjoyed my demonstration of the Cube Grid tool and my blockout using Unreal Engine 5. Thank you.